Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use a Turkish voice on 11labs. So the first thing you have to do is to go to 11labs.io and click on the voices section, then scroll and choose the collections where you have various voice packs. Then scroll down and choose the language pack and scroll down or click the next button so you have find the Turkish voice package. Click on it and you should be brought to a page like this. Now you can go ahead to sample each of these voices till you get the voice of your choice or the one that speaks very well to your project. I can give a sample here by clicking here.
Türkiye'nin en çok kullandığı Türkçe
So
elevenlabs.
you can select a different voice.
Şşt, bir şey diyeceğim.
So once you've selected a voice that resonates with your project,